Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see on how to use the dictation tool. So to launch the dictation tool, you clicked the keys Windows Edge. So it launched this app and then you see what happened. Over here, I was in this text box and I'm speaking and it's automatically putting the text here. So this is what the toolbar does. And then to use the toolbar, if this is not happening to your text box, maybe you didn't click it yet. Like if I click this one and now say something, and I say something like hello, okay, it came like this. So if I go to a different tab, then click this again, and now I try it. It's happening over here. I click this, I try it, it's happening here. So let's see the settings. So there's voice typing launcher. This will automatically launch this toolbar whenever you click a text box. So let's try it. We click this. I'll just close this, and then I click this text box. This automatically came up. If I go to a new tab and then click this text box, this already came up. So you can do that. And then there is automatic punctuation. So this will automatically put the punctuation. And then you can select your microphone over here. So you can select any microphone you want. And that's how you use the dictation tool.